Measurement X. Measurement X. So let's start with door 18 at 1'5". Measurement X is in between the jamb and the post. 5/8 overlap. The measurement X for the header has to go underside of the post halfway, which is 1 3/4 post divided by 2, so 7/8. So your top piece for your header is 5/8 plus measurement X plus 7/8.
Once the header position has been established, the installer will remove the side profile wings. This will ensure a flush batten cover on a finished installed door frame.
Clip installation on the other end that we have it nibbed, lining up the die lines with the end of the piece, centering the clip on the workpiece with the die line at the end, squaring the clip.
When installing the header or any door frame components, it is crucial that these components are not pushed flush against the stud and board. The installer allows for at least 5/8 of room to allow for backer plates, adjustability, dust boxes, or any configurations that might need to be made on later stages of the install. Always ensure to cut from the bottom of any PC350 product. When installing the base to your side light, the installer will pre-drill the concrete with a hammer drill, then Tapconing the small slim base to the floor. Notice how the extrusion on the drywall side is left loose and unscrewed. This is to ensure a snug fit after the base is installed. After the base is installed, the installer will then place his laser, plumb his jamb, and screw to the drywall for a final finish. After a parallel glazing channel is installed next to the sliding door channel, the installer will measure and cut a Schlegel channel. This is where the door will actually slide. The remaining cavity will be filled with a glazing 2-inch female. Next, the vertical post will be installed. Now we will measure the center of the U-shaped puck and align it with the Schlegel post and 2-inch glazing channel. The top U-shape is secured with regular screws, where the bottom U-shape needs to be pre-drilled through the concrete and secured with Tapcons. Precision is key when installing the floor guide for the sliding door. Make sure to align the floor guide with the weather stripping or the mohair on center. It is also crucial the floor guide needs to be 3/8 of an inch away from your post to ensure proper functionality of your aluminum sliding door. Installing the aluminum sliding door will sit on the floor guide first, then applied to the brackets on top. These bracket lengths may need to be adjusted due to site conditions. The factory set door stops will need to be site adjusted. Using the door at both close and open position will establish where the stop needs to be set. Make sure not to use power tools on this application. Hand tools are required only.